Are you tired of using Windows and want to try Linux? You're watching the right video. In this video, I'm going to suggest you top 3 best Linux distros that are very similar to Windows and very easy to use for beginners. Number 1. ZorinOS. ZorinOS is an amazing choice for those who are seeking a familiar computing experience. Not only ZorinOS offers a user-friendly interface, but it also comes with a variety of pre-installed software. Number 2. Ubuntu. Ubuntu is known for its simplicity and vast community. Ubuntu has also been go-to choice for many beginners over the years. It was also my first Linux distro, and you can also customize it like this. Number 3. Linux Mint. Linux Mint is a popular and user-friendly Linux distribution based on Ubuntu. It is known for its simplicity, stability and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners. And that's all for today's video. We hope this guide helps you to kickstart your Linux journey. If you found this video informative and valuable, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe.